I'm Flint Ballantyne, owner of Jurassic Lights and Ballantyne Gear. At Jurassic Lights, we love to put up Christmas lights, but the faster they go up, the more money we make. This is how we put up lights fast while protected from falls. Prior to the start of this video, the Ballantyne Gear Eveook fall protection system was installed on the roof. See links below. Workers work better and faster when they are not afraid of being hurt, or worse. Time for installation of fall protection was about 10 minutes. Installer on the roof wears cougar paw boots to keep from slipping, also in links below. Before the video, light strands for the roof were prepared and laid out in front of the house. The lines of lights are snaked below the gable to allow for easy lifting to the gable. Protected from falls, installer climbs onto the roof and lowers a rope. Lights are attached to the rope and lifted to the roof. Conveniently, the installer is able to use the tail of his lifeline to lift the lights. Sometimes, however, the tail of the anchor line will not be long enough, and the installer will need another rope for pulling up the lights. Installer on the ground is able to lay the lights on the left side of the gable by walking the end of the light strand to the left side. A 24-foot Unger telescopic pole, see links below, with a hook is used to put lights on the right side of the house. The hook is a bent paint roller frame that attaches to the telescopic pole. Following the filming of this video, after testing several pre-made hooks that will attach to the pole, the hook we are now using is the ELF Easy Hook, see links below. They also make the ELF Easy Light Feeder, which can be a great time saver when wrapping the outside of trees. With the lights laid out on the roof, clipping the lights is completed in a short time. Because your time is valuable, the next part of the video is sped up by 4 times that of real time. From lights on the ground to clipped on the roof, the time for installation was only 18 minutes.